In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Java in Windows and also run your first program. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Java download. We'll be having this link from Oracle. Select this, and here we are having the Java JDK. At this moment the version is 25. Here if you scroll down, we'll be having the download links for different operating system. Just click on Windows and just select this download link for the 64-bit installer. So the download will be getting started. It is around 183 MB in size, so just be patient till then. Once the download is complete, just open it. We'll be getting the Java setup. Select next, and this is going to be the default location where Java will be getting installed in local disk C program files. If you want to change it, just click on change and select the local disk of your choice. I will just go here and create a new folder named Java and just select that new folder and click on OK. That's it. Now select next. This will take some time to install, so just be patient. So now we need to add the Java path to environment variables. For this, just go to the location where you had Java installed. In default, it's going to be C program files. Since I changed this to local disk D, I will go here and I'm having here the Java folder. After this, you need to go inside bin. So in the default case, it will be C program files, Java and bin. So just copy this path with the bin folder and go to search and type environment. We'll be getting this edit the system environment variables. Open it. Here select environment variables, and under user variables or system variables, whichever is enabled for you, click on the path and click on edit. Go to new, paste it, alright, and click OK everywhere. Now if you go to search and open the command prompt, and if I just run the command java space --version, as you can see, I'm getting the latest JDK version 25, the one that we installed. Let's just go and run our first Java program. So for this, I'm going to use Visual Studio Code. You can use the editor of your choice. If you want to download Visual Studio Code, you can just click on the card that is appearing on top. Here I'm having an empty folder. I will just create a new file. Let me just name it as demo.java with extension. And already I'm having some boilerplate code, so let me just paste it over here like this. So now let's see how we can run this program. For this, just go to terminal, new terminal, and I'll be showing you two ways how you can run this. So just run the command javac space your program name with the extension. Okay, so it's better to name your file name as well as the class name the same thing. Okay, so this will compile. Once it is done, we'll be having this demo.class. So now to view the output, it's going to be java space demo, and as you can see here, I've got the numbers printed. Another way of running it easily is in the extensions, just install code runner and also make sure that you're installing the Java extension to help you in the recommendation. Once you install this particular extension, here you'll be having the run icon. So if I simply run it, this will automatically give the output. We don't have to compile it each time manually. For example, if I change the number right and run it, it will automatically give us the output. We don't have to compile it multiple times. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Learn a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.